What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. If you're brand new to Salesforce, this video is certainly for you. Getting started can feel a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry. I'll break it down step by step so you can actually feel comfortable using it. Now, before we jump in, let's quickly answer the big question. What is Salesforce and why does it matter? Well, first, Salesforce is the world's leading CRM. And as you can see here in their homepage, that's the first thing they highlight, CRM or customer relationship management. But it is much, much more than that. Think of it as a central hub where businesses track leads, manage customer info, and keep deals moving forward. So basically, a whole package management system for your business. And it's not just for sales. Teams also use it to organize service, marketing, and everyday collaboration all in one place. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate the dashboard, set up your account the right way, and explore the key features that beginners need to know. By the end, you'll be way more confident in Salesforce, and you'll see it's not as intimidating. So let's get started. First of all, if you go to their website, that's salesforce.com, and as you can see here on their homepage, they do advertise that they are a CRM. And in fact, you can get a free CRM tool. But as I told you, Salesforce is much more than just CRM. As you navigate the homepage, you can see some snippets of the features of the platform and their different tools. So it caters for small businesses. It has tools for sales, for commerce, for marketing, and they also have an AI agent for customer service called Agent Force. And as you scroll, you can see here some more tools and some more features of the platform. Now, let's get started right away. First, you can go ahead and get the free CRM if you want, but I'll just go ahead and continue with the platform. So you can log in if you already have an account, or you can sign up to try it for free here. And here you need to enter your information and continue with the setup wizard. So I'm gonna do that pretty quickly for you. And after entering my information and verifying my account, I'm just asked some simple questions in order to tailor my account to my needs. So what brings me to Salesforce? For now, I'll choose a bit of everything. Okay, next. Do any of these feel like familiar challenges? Let's say deals are hard to manage. Okay, submit. And just like that, I'm redirected to my main dashboard. So here I have my home, which is considered my main dashboard. I can see here some steps I can make in order to fully set my account, like creating my first contact, my first lead, or turn on marketing features. Here you have some statistics related to some aspects of your business, like your leads. Here you can see the progress of your opportunities and your deals. You can see your contacts, recent records. You can see all the new cases, and you can add new card here to view the information that is most relevant for you. And here you can see your to-do list. You can pop it up to see all the due tasks here, and you can add a new task right away. So let's add a new task. And here you can assign the task to certain people. Of course, I haven't added anyone yet but myself. So this is the task information. Also, I can set it to be related to cases, catalogs, assets, or any category that I choose. Let's say orders. Okay, the subject is like call, or the action is call, send letter, send quote. So let's say, for example, I want to call someone. So call someone here. I don't have any contact. I can create a new contact right away. And this is the contact creation card. I can add their information and they will be saved, and I can add them here. I can add a due date, so 3 days from now, and I can add a comment. And the status, let's say this is in progress, and the priority is high. Now here I will add a random contact, so test contact. And if I save, it will appear here in my to-do list. And I can go ahead, expand it to view the details, and I can mark it as done right here. And now I don't have any tasks to do. Now let's go ahead and minimize it. And as you can see, the task opened in a new tab here at the top, the call task. and you can view all the information related to the task. You can edit it, or I'll just remove this tab. And here you have your main menu options on the left. So here I'm on my home screen. Here you have your contacts. You can view all your contacts as well as add new contacts right here. As you can see, I don't have any contacts because this is a newly created account. You can import your contacts from like a CSV file. If you have them downloaded, you can create a new contact. You can add contact to campaign. You can send email or assign labels. Here you have your different accounts. Of course, I don't have any accounts. You can add a new account, import your accounts, or assign labels. And if you have your accounts right here, you can filter them by account name, phone, website, billing city, billing state or province, and account owner. So let's add a new account. As you can see, the account name, the website, the type, if it's an analyst, competitor, customer, integrator, or the type of the account or the nature of the account. You can add a description, and you can add their contact information as well. Okay, let's cancel. Here you can view your sales. And for any menu item right here, you can view different tabs or options. Here you have all your sales categories. So you can view your leads right here. Of course, I don't have any. If you have, you can also filter them by different criteria. You can add a new lead, import your leads, add to campaigns, send email, or change owner. Here you have your contacts, and should be similar to the contact option right here. You have your account, your opportunities, your products, and here you have a product like a SAM product, the shipping shard product. If I click on it, I can see all the information related to it. Of course, you can add new products. You can edit this product if you want. Here you have your price books. You have your calendar view to view all your tasks and all your business information and any due dates, and the analytics to view some insights about your business. So here you have your recently updated tasks, the shared tasks with me. Of course, these are some like dummy tasks or some sample information. Next, you have your services, where you can see all the services, all the open cases, all your contacts, accounts, quick text, analytics, and knowledge. Now, you might notice that some tabs are common between many menu items. The contacts, for example, you can access it through many options right here, which is natural since it integrates with all the aspects of your business. Now you can see the marketing tools that are available, and you can get started here to set up the marketing tools to generate more leads and grow your business. Now in the commerce option, you can view your store here, but you need to set it first. You need it to be set up. And here are the steps needed: branding your storefront, adding your first product, let guests shop your store, set up checkout, and you can view all the information relating to the merchandising, the customers, promotions, orders, insights about your orders, etc. And here you have the generative canvas, but you need to upgrade to a paid plan. And you can see all the information related to your account right here. Now, I should mention that I'm on the free trial. If I go ahead and upgrade or try to buy a plan, you can see here you have the Salesforce Starter and the Pro Suite. The Starter starts at $25 per month or $300 per user annually, all the way up to $100 per month for the Pro Suite, or $1,200 per user per year. Now you can see here a comparison of the plans to choose which one is best for you. Now I'm on the trial for the Starter, but you can upgrade to the Pro Suite plan if you want to. Now that was like a quick overview of Salesforce, and as you have seen from the video, it has lots of tools managing all the aspects of your business.